MTD network this week. First of all, apologies for the delay, but it's not because I've had a sharp haircut. It's because, well, it's not actually because I've been out delivering MTD Mac publications. They should have arrived on your desk this week, so have a look through some great articles in there. But it's because yesterday I was out at Hope Technologies in Apex Marine. So bikes and scuba diving equipment, a sporty day, some great videos. Watch your space, they're coming out soon. Moving on swiftly, you know what I'm going to say? Red, request a quote. Pop your details in there, drawings, etc. We'll get some quotes for your components. And if you're going to join MTD Network, pop your details in there on that blue button. Right, so moving on swiftly. Mellish Engineering, great to have you guys on board. Just joined us. Have a look at their profile, some great components. What else we've got going on? NDT compliance, precision aircraft surface treatment. Our friend Jim and Noel, the company's recently been bought out and they've updated their compliance, so great work there. So if you need surface treatment, NDT, things like that, get in contact with them. PTFE made easy. Our friend Mick and Jamie, or friends Mick and Jamie, Teflon, masters of plastic. And I say masters, this time a huge PTFE part. Really proud of that. We've also got trepanning, tree pinning, whatever you want to do from Honal. I'd say in really basic terms, it's almost like coring an apple, but I'll make that sound simple. Have a look at Andrew's written there. And Lincoln City showcasing what they do. Some nice components there from our friend Clinton. So moving on, what's trending at the moment? Well, you've got RK Engineering with a bit of spare capacity. You've got Titan still showcasing their F1 and supercar parts. You've got Wilbar, bit of spare capacity on a Citizen A32. And that is, to you and me, lathe, sliding head, 32mm diameter bar capacity. So get in contact with Gareth or Chris at Wilbar. We've got GW Martin, DFM design for manufacture, so prototype printing before going to manufacturing. So nice work there, Richard. And Mellish Engineering, bit of milling capacity. So get in contact with Steve or Chrissy there if you need any parts manufactured. So you know what I'm going to say. Red, hit that red button, request a quote, pop your details in there. Blue, if you want to join the network, get some inquiries, get your name out to the engineering world. That's it for this week. Have a great Easter holiday and we'll see you soon.